So for this question, we have two friends called Andrew and Boris. So Andrew divided some apples into 6 equal piles. Right? So he has 6 equal piles. And Boris divided the same number of apples into 5 equal piles. Now obviously, if he divided them into lesser piles, his piles will have more apples in them. Right? So now we don't know how many apples A has, or the apples that B has. But we know that they have the same number of apples. So let's say that both of them have A apples. So Andrew divided his A apples into 6 piles. So every pile has A upon 6 apples. Whereas Boris divided them into 5 piles. So that's A divided by 5 equal piles. Now, Boris noticed that each of his piles contains 2 more apples than each of Andrew's piles. Now, Boris has piles with A upon 5 apples in each. And that is equal to Andrew's piles have A upon 6 apples. Plus, every pile for Boris has 2 more apples than Andrew's piles. So that's a plus 2. So now let's try solving this. A upon 5 equals, now let's take an LCM over here, that's upon 6, A plus, so in order to make this was 2 upon 1, in order to turn that into a 6, we multiply both by 6, this becomes 6 2s are 12, right? So now let's try cross multiplying. Okay, so this becomes, I'll take the working over there, 6A equals 5 times A plus 12. I'll just take this thinner pencil. So 6 times A equals 5A plus 5 12s are 60. Taking 5A to the other side becomes minus 5A. So that means that 6A minus 5A becomes A equals 60. This means that A, that is the number of apples that Andrew and Boris had, is equal to 60. And that is my answer. That is option A. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, you can feel free to post them in the comment section. Thank you for watching.